Hey there, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to see about the basic home automation tool, that is the Sonoff switch. And in the later part of the video, I'll demonstrate how to build your own Sonoff switch at low cost. So watch till end. Initially, let's take a look on this Sonoff switch. The Sonoff switch is actually a relay with a Wi-Fi module, where the relay switches the circuit when the signal from the user reaches the Wi-Fi module. The cost of the Sonoff switch is around 800 rupees in the market, and it also provides an exclusive app which can be controlled globally. Can you believe that you can build your own Sonoff switch under 500 rupees with all of its features? Yes, we can. First of all, let's see what all do we need. In hardware side, we need ESP8266 ESP01 type module with relay. And we also need a power adapter and a programming adapter for the module. Don't worry, I have included the links for the products in the description below. And on the software side, we need an adafruit account to connect APIs. And we also need a script for this module, which I have included in the description below. And we also need a PC with an Arduino IDE. So without any delay, let's get started. Step 1. Connect the ESP module to the programming adapter and connect it to a PC containing Arduino IDE. Step 2. Copy the script provided in the description below to the IDE and change Wi-Fi and adafruit credentials. You can find the adafruit credentials in the adafruit website under IO column and press my key. Now let's debug and flash the code to the module. Step 3. Do the hardware connections as shown. Here we go. We have successfully built our Sonoff switch at low cost. We can control this using Adafruit's website or MQTT app. And more advancedly, you can use the IFTTT app to control the switch using the voice assistant itself. And surprisingly, as the Adafruit is a web server, you can control the switch from anywhere in the world. Awesome, right? That's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. And do check out the description below for the links of the products and the scripts which I have used in the above video. And please feel free to comment your thoughts and your doubts in the comment section below. It's me, Kishore, an IoT enthusiast and an ambassador of this technology of my institution. Thank you.